If you're bored of your current Netflix selection, then this video right here will help you find more entertaining content that you haven't seen before. If this video does help you out, please do leave a like, make sure you comment down below, and subscribe for more Netflix tutorials. Let's get right into the video. Make sure you stay until the second part of the video, because the second part is going to give you way more content than you would do with just the first part. But if you combine both of these together, you're going to have tens of thousands of new movies and TV shows to watch. So the first way that you can find more content on Netflix is by using what's called Netflix codes. When you're searching and browsing Netflix, Netflix categorizes movies and TV shows into like general main categories. You've got, for example, like action and adventure, dramas, comedies, and so on. But if you utilize Netflix codes, you can actually dig deeper into Netflix and see content that you wouldn't have been shown before. So when you're browsing for a movie to watch on Netflix, you're going to be shown the main categories. So here I've got two on the screen: action and adventure and classic movies. Now what Netflix codes allow you to do is they allow you to filter through subcategories. So if you wanted to watch an action and adventure movie, but you wanted to watch an action thriller, you could filter for that subcategory of just action thrillers. If you wanted to watch a specific drama, you could filter through all of the political dramas or all of the crime dramas. So if you come to this website, which I'll mention in a second, and you click on a Netflix code, it's going to then open Netflix, and here it's going to show you all of the political dramas. So the reason this can unlock thousands of new movies is because Netflix shows you content on your recommended page based on what you've already watched. The content it shows you is literally all based on an algorithm, so you probably might never see political dramas in your recommended. That's why going to a website like flix.tools/codes allows you to narrow down into a Netflix subcategory and find thousands of new movies and TV shows. So the second way you can view more content is to change your location and access a different country's Netflix and access their geo-locked content. For example, I'm currently in Thailand, so I have the Thai Netflix, but if I change my location to America, I can go and watch the American locked TV shows and movies. My favorite one to watch on the American Netflix is The Office, because that's not available anywhere else but in America. So let's go to the computer and I'll show you how you can change your location. So like I said, I'm currently in Thailand and I've got access to the Thai Netflix, but if I wanted to watch the US Netflix, I could change my location by using what's called a VPN. So this right here is a VPN, and a VPN allows you to virtually change your location, so we can fool Netflix into essentially thinking we're located in a specific country. So if I wanted to change my location to America, I would open up my VPN, I would change my location here by choosing America, I would connect. It's then going to put me into a virtual location somewhere inside of America. So now all of my internet traffic thinks it's coming from America, so Netflix is now going to give me the American Netflix. So I can now go to search, and I can now search for The Office, and I'm going to see the American version of The Office. So here you can see, here is The Office US. So the VPN that I use to change my location is ExpressVPN. It's a VPN that a lot of people use to change their location on Netflix. It's a great option, and a lot of people literally use it to change their location. I use it personally myself every single day. I'll leave a link in the description below to it. Not only can it change your location so you can watch different countries' Netflix, it's going to keep you 100% secure online, so your internet service provider won't be able to see what you're doing. It's going to keep hackers away, they store no logs, and it's not going to hinder your upload speed or download speed or anything like that. Plus they have a 30-day money back guarantee, so you can go and try it. And if you go through my link in the description below, you're going to get 3 months off completely for free if you go and buy a year's plan. So those have been two different ways that you can unlock more movies on Netflix. If that video did help you out, please do leave a like on this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.